Hey, loves. Today we're connecting with Archangel Chamuel and the gentle energy of Rose Quartz to open up our hearts and invite more love into our lives. So we have Rose Quartz obelisk, a great big, really big palm stone size of rose quartz. And this is an unpolished piece. And I also wanted to introduce to you pink Mangano, as well as a very high vibration of pink Samadhi Himalayan quartz. We'll primarily be working with our rose quartz today. So Archangel Chamuel is all about helping you see how unique and priceless you really are. And everybody's been, everybody's been hurt along the way. When you open yourself to receive as well as give love, whether you want another relationship or not, by closing off that part of you, you're actually closing off and kind of dimming down the rest of your chakras, the ones for inner sight, higher connection, self-expression, manifestation, relationship healing and creativity, and of course, your root chakra for prosperity, grounding, passion, and protection. So, how does Archangel Chamuel help you? Well, call on him or her. In the way I understand and the way I sense, Archangel Chamuel's energy is more masculine than it is feminine. And if Archangel Chamuel's energy is feminine for you, go with that. So you can put, and this is a decent size, okay? Anything smaller and you need quite a few pieces. So you can put this directly on your heart center. You could put it here. You can put it on your throat chakra to help soften the words, not to change who you are, not to be different. Just say the things that need to be said with more compassion, even when you're just by yourself. So rose quartz, unconditional love, heart center, right? So is pink mangano, is calcite. This one is a nice piece. And there, see, it's soft pink. So this is a softer, more gentle energy. Himalayan pink quartz has a higher vibration, so it can also help you with your higher heart. So let's do a little bit of calling in. I like obelisks because they pull energy in. And you can have a smaller one, like about like so, maybe thinner if you like. And I like to have it so that I'm pointing it down. You have it so that the obelisk points in towards you and the base pulls in the energy. Now, if that's too much for you, have the obelisk pointing away from you, okay, or up so that the energy is drawn into and through and a softer flow throughout your body. For today, I'm just getting, okay, let's do, oh, I like that. So I was just checking in with my guides and Archangel Chamuel more specifically, and we're going to actually use rose quartz, a palmstone, and the Himalayan pink quartz so that we work on our physical heart chakra, our physical heart energy, and our higher heart to have even more healing. So, you ready? How do you do it? In this instance, I'm holding one in each hand. I can actually put them together and then hold them to my heart center. You can say this exactly, or you can say something similar to it. Archangel Chamuel, thank you for helping me to recognize who I truly am, a being of light having an earth journey, walking this beautiful earth, having had experiences in all kinds of relationships. I wish to open my heart to release any pain, sorrow, feelings of betrayal, disappointment, and relationships that just didn't turn out well for whatever reason. Thank you for helping me to forgive myself for all my parts and to let go of those parts and pieces, words said in anger that weren't mine, that are not mine to carry. And please help me to forgive everyone involved for whatever was or wasn't said, whatever was or was not done, for promises broken. Now take in 3 deep breaths and exhale slowly. And I'm still holding both crystals. Archangel Chamuel, thank you for helping me to heal my heart center, to open my heart chakra so that I may live a life freer, in love, with love, for my friends, my loved ones, myself, for what I do, for my path, and be open to what you have to offer me, to show me, so that I no longer carry with me anything that is not of love and light. So be it, and so it is. Now, when you're done, remember to cleanse your crystals. I'm going to put them right next to a great big slab of selenite so that they can cleanse. Now, if you wanted to use an obelisk, you can do it this way so that the energy comes in through the universe, the air, Father Sky, and up from Mother Earth, Gaia, however you prefer to refer to Earth. And imagine that the energy is being pulled or passed through your left, circling throughout your body, out your right hand, back through the quartz. And you can do that with a great big palmstone as well, okay? And then just breathe in and breathe out, because the energy will cycle through. What goes in is rose quartz energy. What comes through you, through your right hand, the exit hand, is energy that is not quite the right vibration yet. And just 5 minutes, just something like that. Now let's use this smaller piece. Archangel Chamuel, please help me speak with love. Help me set healthy boundaries and stick with them, being flexible when necessary, just not bending to everything and everyone just to please. Please help me accept who I am, pink Mangano Calcite. Please help me accept who I am with an open mind and an open heart. Thank you, Archangel Chamuel, for helping me to see, recognize, and accept that I am unique and I am priceless just as I am. Now, which crystals do you like to work with when you're working with your heart center? Any questions about this? Please put them down below and I will come around and I will answer them. So tomorrow is another day and we will see you again tomorrow. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul.